Hey, good morning. It's Chris here in Visalia, California on a beautiful winter morning. And the tip of the day are these collapsible hoses that you can get at Home Depot. And they're wonderful for washing and flushing out rain gutters. We actually collapse them and put them in 5-gallon buckets. And the reason why we do that is it's easy to store, easy for our guys to take. And then also, if you need a hose and you just want it in a simple small area, you can roll them up, put them in a 5-gallon bucket, keep them in your garage. These go out to about 100 foot. So we bring plenty of hoses with us, because when we wash out your gutters and we flush and clear them out, we also get the hose and wash them down, wash out the downspouts, and then wash the outside of the gutters, and then we clean up all of our mess. So if you have a project, here, give us a call here at We Do Windows, and we'll take care of your project. Thank you.